Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to archive Instagram stories. So there are two ways to do this. The first one is automatically. Open the Instagram app, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings, then tap on Privacy and then Story. Make sure to toggle the next to Save to Archive is turned on. This will automatically save all your stories to your archive after 24 hours. Now the second way is manually. While viewing your story, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner and select Story Settings. Tap on Close Friends and choose one person to share the story with. Then tap Done. This will effectively hide the story from everyone else and automatically archive it within 24 hours. That's it. Thanks for watching.